Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by checking the Excel file type and making sure it's current, older. XLS files can misbehave. Once done, sign into Google Drive and upload the workbook. Drag, drop, or use new file upload. After upload, right-click the file and select Open with, then Google Sheets. This initiates a conversion that preserves most formulas and formats. Make sure to keep the original Excel file until you verify that key formulas and formatting transferred correctly. Once the sheet is open in Google Sheets, scan for formula incompatibilities. Functions such as XLOOKUP or certain macros won't translate, so identify them first. Then inspect formatting. Merged cells, date serials, and custom number formats commonly shift. Adjust cell formats and unmerge where needed. If a function failed, replace it with index/match or use array formula for ranges. Explain why. Google Sheets uses different function names and argument rules. Make incremental edits, test calculation results, and save versions to track changes. To finish, save the converted file as a native Google Sheets copy and verify every critical calculation, especially pivot tables and imported data ranges. If collaborators require Excel, export using File Download Microsoft Excel. Explain why. Exports can reintroduce differences, so test again. If something breaks, check the sheet locale and recalculation settings and review data connector permissions. Those often block live imports. One key troubleshooting tip. If formulas show errors, open version history to compare pre-conversion values and revert or patch selectively.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.